Next up, the B21 Secure Cache. This you'll find just south of the Ashika Cave complex along the pipeline. If we have a look on the map, in the Ashika Cave complex in D5, zooming in here, you'll see the pipeline that comes and turns in this corner here. Now where this road comes along and dips, comes back up on the left side here, following up the hill, past the rock here, just over here is where the B21 Secure Cache will be located. All you need to do is find your way here, travel up the hill, right over here you'll find a crashed drone or plane. Just over here on the far side of it, you'll find the B21 Secure Cache. Once again, checking the map, the Ashika Cave complex in D5, zooming in, where the road has this little dip, comes up on the left, straight up from here is where we'll find the cache. Very easy. Anyways, thank you all for watching, mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!